how to update Discord on PC or laptop. So if you want to update Discord in PC or laptop, then first open up your Discord. Open up the Discord application, and here, let me tell you one thing, that you'll not have a separate option to update the Discord. But in order to update the Discord, what you need to do is open the application. Once you've opened, now go for the cross icon or remove that application, or simply end the task of Discord. So here on the bottom you will have this little arrow. Go for that, and then you need to exit the Discord. Simply click on quit Discord. You need to simply press Control Shift and Escape, and it will take you to the task manager. Or here on the right side, simply right click on the taskbar and you will have the task manager. Simply go for the task manager, and then you need to end the task of the Discord. So right click on that and then go for end task, and you need to end the task of your Discord. Once you've end, make sure that you have end the task right here also. And once you've ended the task, now you need to restart your device. So simply go for the Windows, go for the power, and simply restart. Once you've restarted your device, now you can again open up your Discord, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed, because we don't have a separate option to update on Discord. Just simply close and restart the game, and you will get the update, or your app will be automatically updated. So that's how you can update Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.